Shannon K redefines red carpet glamour at Cannes 2025 premiere, honors father's legacy. The 78th Cannes Film Festival witnessed a captivating display of elegance as Shannon K, the talented daughter of legendary singer Kumar Sanu, graced the premiere of Tom Cruise's highly anticipated Mission: Impossible: The Final Reckoning, on May 14. While the film itself garnered a resounding 5-minute standing ovation, Shannon K carved her own indelible mark on the star-studded event with a breathtaking custom creation. Choosing a hue synonymous with passion and power, Shannon K commanded attention in a dramatic, strapless red gown meticulously crafted by British designer Josh Birch-Jones. The show-stopping ensemble was a masterclass in structured sophistication, embodying the designer's signature fusion of timeless elegance and contemporary allure. The gown featured a flawlessly fitted bodice adorned with artfully placed ruffles that added a touch of playful dynamism to the otherwise statuesque silhouette. Understanding the importance of balance, Shannon K strategically accessorized her voluminous gown with delicate yet dazzling diamond jewelry. A pair of understated diamond earrings and a complementary necklace perfectly framed her décolletage, enhancing the strapless neckline without overpowering the dramatic flair of the dress. Her makeup choices were equally refined, with bold red lips providing a classic Hollywood touch, while subtle eye makeup allowed the vibrant gown to remain the focal point. Completing her red carpet look, Shannon opted for simple, soft curls, allowing her hair to fall gently and further emphasize the striking design of her attire. This appearance marked Shannon K's return to the prestigious Cannes Film Festival, having previously walked its hallowed red carpet in 2023. Reflecting on her experience, Shannon shared in a statement, "Cannes always feels magical, but this year was even more special. Wearing Josh Birch-Jones' incredible red gown made me feel powerful and elegant. I'm grateful to be part of both the fashion and film conversations happening on such an important global stage." Her words not only highlight her personal connection to the festival but also subtly acknowledge her growing presence within the international creative community, separate yet connected to her father's illustrious legacy. Beyond her captivating red carpet moments, Shannon K is also poised to make her mark in the world of cinema. She is set to join the cast and crew of Tanvi the Great, marking the directorial debut of veteran actor Anupam Kher. Adding another layer to her artistic endeavors, Shannon has lent her melodious voice to a track in the film, with the music helmed by none other than Oscar-winning composer Keeravani, further solidifying her multifaceted talent. This venture signifies a significant step in her journey, showcasing her artistic range beyond singing. Earlier this year, Shannon K also graced the stage at the renowned Coachella Music Festival, demonstrating her versatility as a performer on a global platform. Her presence at Cannes, coupled with her upcoming film role and prior musical performances, paints a picture of a young artist confidently carving her own path while subtly honoring her familial roots. Her striking appearance in the custom red gown at the Mission: Impossible 8 inches premiere was not just a fashion statement but a powerful declaration of her own burgeoning identity within the international entertainment sphere. Buckle up, because the ride is just beginning. Don't miss a single moment of the thrilling twists and turns ahead. Subscribe now and join the adventure.